Welcome back to Spank Range Garage. This should be a quick one. Got this ladder here, and the leg's broken off, so let's weld it back on and get to working. When you're cleaning up aluminum parts to weld, I just use a file. Don't use an abrasive grinding wheel or flap disc or sandpaper. It leaves too much crap in the surface. The file doesn't leave any crap in the surface. You'll have better luck. Okay, that's actually holding on there pretty good. Let's see if we can get it tacked. Welded it all the way around, tied the support back in. It ain't pretty. I ended up popping a hole in it there. I haven't welded aluminum in like 3 months. This is made in China, so it's a little giant knockoff. The aluminum actually welds pretty good, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some reinforcement down the side now, burn that in, and we're done here. Working my way around the gusset here. It's a 1/4 inch plate, so you can really burn into this thing, but this ladder ain't gonna break again. Repair's done, feels good. If anyone wants to cry, OSHA has approved this ladder, so I don't wanna hear it. Let's give it a quick test. Feels good to me. And we'll go ahead and put it right to use, taking down the Christmas lights. Gotta trust your work. And that's another Spank repair in the books. See you next time.